What is up, guys? So today I got something a little bit different for you. I know I said I wanted to keep the YouTube channel about the truck, but I mean, kind of lied already. We're gonna do today. We're gonna bring home another vehicle that's not a truck. I've had it for a while, and it's just been sitting over at my girlfriend's parents' house. You can hear in the background it doesn't sound like a diesel. So I'll show you that real quick. Here she is. And yes, this is also a hybrid, along with my truck. My truck is also a hybrid. But yeah, we got a 2006 Mazda Speed 6. Like I said, it's been sitting here for a while, but she started right up and she purrs like a kitten. So we're gonna take her home today, so that way I can start working on her. If I open the door here, you can see door panel's missing because I got to put a new window regulator. It needs some new ABS sensors in the back here. Right now, the back ABS sensors are bad, so it's only a front-wheel drive car at the moment. It's actually an all-wheel drive car. For those of you who didn't know, I'll pop the hood real quick. It is a 6-speed manual. Got a Cobb access port tuner. I bought that. I got a wicked deal on it, and I basically only bought it to use for an economy tune. But it's wound up being a very good purchase because I've had to use it for a couple of things. It's got a cork sport intake, rebuilt heads, timing chain, all that shit we did. Other than that, there's really not much done to it. I mean, the car is pretty stock. It's got the upgraded fuel pump internals. That's what that ticking is. I mean, these motors, they tick to begin with, and then you put those upgraded fuel pump internals in, they tick even more. So yeah, I mean, there's really nothing else done to the car. Like I said, it's got that intake, it's got the high pressure fuel pump internals, and rebuilt head. I keep saying heads. Got the custom fender mod. I backed into it at work, smashed the headlight, and buckled the fender in. But so I got to replace that too. That's another thing I got to do. You look at the hood's all rotted out. There's a good spot there. Over here is pretty bad too. So the hood needs to be replaced, and so I figure I'll do the hood and the fender. Look, it's dropping cancer. It's from Connecticut, so the whole thing is rusty. I mean, look at the strut towers; they're rusty too. It's got these stupid wheels on it that I should have never bought. They're too wide, but it's got some stance to her, that's for sure, and it looked good. But it rubs in the back pretty bad. Not when I'm by myself, but if there's anyone in the car, it'll rub. And you can kind of tell. I did roll the fenders, but even that didn't seem to help because the tires stick out so far. So yeah, that's kind of a quick walk around to the car. Truck is freaking filthy. But yeah, got both my hybrids. They both run. I'm gonna take this one home today so I can start working on it. And like I said, I'm from Connecticut, so hopefully this will be in the channel a little bit more. I'll probably post a couple videos of me working on the thing. But I think the plan is to get it all fixed and back together, and then maybe I'll register and insure it down here. But I'm not sure yet. I think I'm still debating on what I want to do with the car. I want to get rid of it, but at the same time I don't. So Let me know what you guys think. And we made it home. She's a keeper. Alright, so I forgot to shoot an outro for this video, so it's the next day. I'm going to do one in the house here real quick. But yeah, obviously the car made it home, no problems. Ran beautifully. Thing has been sitting for almost a year. I would go over and start it up, let it run regularly, at least once a month usually. But it's been probably 2-3 months since I had done that, and it fired right up, ran beautifully, no problems the whole way home, and I was pretty damn impressed with it. And after driving it home, I realized how much I miss driving that car. It's a fun little car. I miss having a standard, and going from driving a truck every day back to having that quick little car. Not that I really have it to drive, but having it back here now, and I'm going to start working on it, and kind of makes me think that I might want to keep it as a project car, because it could be a fun project. So let me know in the comments if you guys think that's a good idea. If you guys would like to see that, let me know. But that's all I got for you this time. So leave a comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.